making these threats. Got little niggas on standby for 10 grand, so who next? Bang! Fake! Nigga, I'm on probation. My P.O. such a bitch when I got shot. Violation. Anger got me pacing. Zans got me tripping. I'm paranoid as fuck, cause everybody looks suspicious. So I'm riding with my FE. Rent a car, dark tent. Burning all my gas, riding around trying to spark shit. Give me one. Give me some. Give me some.
What they know about this?
Yeah. Hey, where's the enemy at? Get your ass up here. I couldn't fucking with these fake niggas, man. I couldn't fucking with the niggas because the niggas was fake. I started getting money, niggas started to hate. Yeah, I cut the niggas off, it's rap. Now they talk behind a nigga back. I quit fucking with the niggas.
Niggas was fake. I started getting money, niggas started to hate. I cut the niggas off, it's rap. Now they talk behind a nigga back.
Listen, yeah. Jealousy exposed a weak nigga. Niggas I used to fuck with, I see out and I don't speak, nigga. These fake niggas I don't fuck with. These niggas envy what I do and that's the reason I don't trust shit. Look, ain't nobody put me on, bro. I got a package that scratch and came up on my own, bro. These niggas broke, so they worried about a nigga. But I should've listened cause I done heard about these niggas. But I ain't worried about these niggas, man. I can't keep a tight grip. Clip full of piranhas, one tackle make them fight shit. Plug overnight shit. I just work the night shit. Closet full of cushion, the trunk full of that white. Yeah, and they don't like the scene they be in, but I don't fall out with whoever on mamas who ain't reason. Nah, I ain't gotta say you niggas names. I just hope all of you bitch ass niggas stay out the way. I quit fucking with the niggas because the niggas was fake. I started getting money, niggas started to hate. Damn, I cut the niggas off, it's rap. Now they talk behind the nigga back.